Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. The next couple of videos are all going to be Christmas related, and I am just so excited. Today's video is in partnership with Home Depot, and I will be doing indoor and outdoor decorating for all of your hosting needs for the holidays, and I am just so excited. Part one, which is going to be today's video, you are going to get to see me shop some of the home decor. I shopped online and also in the store, so you guys will get to see both sides of that. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm trying to find a tree, and I want to find the perfect tree. I don't want a flock tree because flock trees aren't necessarily my favorite. What I'm really loving are these little twinkly lights versus these guys. Do you see that? This looks so much more majestic. I love this a lot. It looks like as if you were looking at the sky. I think it's really beautiful. I wouldn't even go crazy with dressing it up, but you see the difference? I may have to order my tree online. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at. I see it in the 7 feet, but I don't see it in the 9 feet, and I want 9 feet. I really love this tree right here. It looks really pretty. I even like this. It's not so heavily flocked. This is a good medium, but this has glitter on it. This is my only hesitation, but I'm thinking I might just get this tree right here because it's really pretty, like really pretty, and it's just the right amount of, oh, it's pretty. I really like it. The light on this tree is so pretty, and I feel like there's more lights on it. You guys, look how small the lights are. Oh, it's pretty. All right, you guys, day one, I have the small planter in front of the house. I have 2 boxes for each tree, and then a 3rd box, the hooks, and then I picked up some picks. There's another set that I want, but they don't have them available now, so I'm gonna order those online. But thus far, I am really happy. I'm a little torn because I really love this tree, but it's too skinny. And then I really like this tree, but it's too much glitter. I think it's really pretty. And then I really like this tree the most, but then it has the berries, which I'm not too much of a fan of. So I'm thinking about getting this and taking the berries and just stinking them in the tree, yes. And just stinking the styled by Casanova.
Styled by Casanova?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm finna follow you.
Thank you. So I think if I tuck it, it'll be better, and then I can get it, because I do like the pine cones, and you guys know I love that. I'm just not a fan of the red, so I think tucking it in will salvage. All right, you guys, I am back at the house. Look at what I got. We are going to start decorating. It's actually the next day. You guys saw yesterday I was at Home Depot and I was getting everything ready and prepped. All right, you guys know that I'm at my mom's, and she likes a little bit more color, so it's gonna be traditional, but not 100% traditional Christmas. I have the garland, which is gonna go on the balcony outside. I'll show you guys outside so you can see the before. That way when it's done, you'll see the after. And then these are the balls, and then this box right here is the wreath. And we have 2 9 feet Christmas trees. And we have some more stuff here, the picks. I was actually really surprised. I didn't know that Home Depot even carried picks, but they do. Oh, and I also picked up this ribbon. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got this ribbon because look at the ottoman in the ribbon. Thought it was gonna be pretty. And then in the living room, thought it was gonna look really, really good. I had no idea Home Depot carried ribbon in picks, but you guys, this ribbon is so pretty. I'm excited to deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. I have the indoor and outdoor small tree also. It comes pre-lit. The only thing is, maybe not now, but later, I think I'm going to paint the base black because my mom has black wrought iron going down her steps. So I'm gonna get some outdoor paint and paint the bottom. Other than that, the tree looks good. I think I'm gonna add a couple of more little zhuzhing to them. You guys, we also have matching pajamas. These are not from Home Depot, but I wanted to share. If you guys are wondering, Home Depot sells throws. I will be using the throw to go up under the tree. I used one last year because I couldn't find one big enough. I wanted a 70-inch tree skirt and I couldn't find it. But guess what I could find? A 60 and a 70-inch throw. So I will be using that. These are so pretty. I love them. And we have 5 feet reindeer. So this guy here goes up and then I have a second one. His head goes down, so that's going to be out in the yard. Also, for privacy purposes, I'm not going to show you guys everything, but this is the outside of my mom's steps. So I'm going to put a tree right here, and then I'm going to do another one in front of her door, and then there's the 2 balconies outside like this. So what I want to do is have the wreath cascading over here. I got some zip ties. So I definitely enjoyed myself a little too much in the store. The trees were just so beautiful. I was actually really surprised how much I liked the multicolor Christmas trees. I was really surprised. I had no idea that Home Depot had pigs, ribbon. I knew they had balls. I knew about all the outdoor stuff, but I was really shocked about the pigs for sure. They had some really nice pieces there. And if you were looking for like a theme, they also sold sets of ornaments. What else? The trees were just really beautiful. I've always admired Home Depot's trees, so to be able to go in and purchase one of their trees was just an amazing opportunity. And I think you guys are going to love the exterior of my mom's home. To me personally, it looks really good, especially considering my mom does not decorate or anything like that for the holidays. So when she came home and she's seen everything, she was like, oh, this is really nice. So she definitely loved it. And trust and believe, my mom is a little tough cookie, okay? But yeah, she really loved how everything turned out. I love how everything turned out. It looked really good. But if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I shared in today's video, I will be leaving it in the link down below. Again, thank you so much to Home Depot. It was such a great opportunity again, just to be able to work with them and get the house all spruced up for hosting needs and stuff, and the kids. You guys already know Christmas is like my favorite holiday. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys are interested, again, check the description box down below. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.